and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can fix your Bluetooth delay and lag in Windows 11 and 10. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap on the search bar of your Windows. Once you tap on it, you need to now type in mmsys.cpl sounds. After you type this, you will be redirected to a different kind of interface. All you need to do is simply tap on headphones. So once you have selected the headphones option, you need to tap on properties as well. You can either click on the right button of your mouse or simply tap on the properties section. So once you have tapped on the properties as well, you need to now simply tap on the enhancement section. After tapping on enhancements, you need to now tap on disable all enhancements. Once you have done this, you need to hit the OK option as well. After tapping on the OK option, this will be saved and your lag in Bluetooth will be fixed in Windows 10 and 11. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.